I like the grass. It's not what
Yeah, that's oh, there you go.
Yeah.
They want to do it that way because the zipper stuff there.
Jill.
Well, we have the hat. Put the hat on. Let me put this down. And show you. Put the hat on.
I had the open air.
This goes. I think it goes this way. I think
Ready? Okay, there we go. Is that it?
Yep.
Y'all wear these so infrequently. You have to learn every time how it goes. Oh, fantastic.
Would you?
To more than a few commencement ceremonies and in more than a few places. But today, I am very proud that just about 10 miles from the Ford Foundation's office in Midtown, there is a school on a hill that rivals any other. A school that stands out for encouraging excellence while celebrating diversity. I don't need to belabor the observation that for the United States, this is a seminal moment, a period of profound and not always equal change. Indeed, the America of your college graduation today looks very different than when I graduated in 1982. Indeed, the America of your college graduation looks very different, as it will look different into the future. A half century from now, there will be no vast majorities based on where people come from, because this country will be more diverse than ever. In other words, in the future, America will look more and more like New York City.
All the members of the class was here. Charlotte Merowitz Shapiro sent me a note, and she said her Queens College education was transformative, nurtured, and challenged by an exceptional and brilliant faculty. And we're going to post the beautiful letter that Charlotte sent to us on the website so you can all read it.